So do you also want to build an AI assistant for real-time customer support? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow, and in this video we are going to understand how to build an AI assistant for real-time customer support using WhatsApp. So like you, I'm also running a business and we regularly receive our user queries on WhatsApp. But this is such a time-consuming and a tedious task to reply to those same queries over and over again. So to solve this problem, I've simply created an AI agent WhatsApp chatbot, and now whenever my user is going to send me a message, an automatic reply will be sent towards my user using this AI assistant WhatsApp chatbot. So if you also want to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot, or if you also want to see the proper working of this WhatsApp chatbot, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So as you know, in this video I'll just show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot AI assistant for customer support. So over here I'm running a support center and I'm just going to create this AI assistant. But before we move on further and create this AI assistant, I'll just show you the proper working of this. Let's say I'm just going to message them, hey, I need help. So let's say I'm just going to type, hey, I need help, and I'm just going to send them this message. And once I'm just going to send them this message, automatically my WhatsApp chatbot is going to respond me to saying, absolutely, how can I assist you today? And now let's say I'm just going to ask about the product features. So I'm just going to enter product features and I'm just going to send them this right over here. And once I'm just going to send them this, automatically it is going to share me the features. So I'm just going to wait for a few seconds, and automatically, yes, you can see that we have received the product features right over here. This is the key product features of support made, the ticketing system and the rest of the details. Let's see, I want to ask about the price. So I'm just going to ask them about the price. So I'm just going to type price question mark right over here and send them this. And once I'm just going to send them this, yes, you can see it is going to share me the price too. So I'm just going to wait for a few seconds, and over you're going to see that it is going to successfully share me the price. And as you can see, it is saying the price for support mate starts at $29 per month per agent. So yes, you can see that it has successfully shared the price too. Let's say I want to ask about the offers. So I'm just going to simply type offers right over here and I'm just going to send them this offers. And once I'm just going to send them this, automatically it is going to share me the offers too. And as you can see that it has successfully shared me the offer, 20% off on annual billing. You can save by opting for annual billing and the referral program. So yes, you can see within seconds and in real time, this WhatsApp chatbot, which is powered with the help of an AI agent, is solving all my user queries. But you must be wondering from where it has got my details, which is my business details. So I have simply uploaded a knowledge base right over here while creating this. So as you can see that this is the knowledge base. I'm just going to show you the full knowledge base. So as you can see that this is the knowledge base, and over here we have all the details. You're going to see that this is the price and this is the same price which it shared right over here while chatting. All right, I'm just going to move on further. We're going to see all the details. We're going to see the product features too, which it shared right over here. So yes, it is replying according to this knowledge base only. So yes, this is the powerful AI assistant which we are going to build in today's video for real-time customer support using WhatsApp in Pabbly Chatflow. So if you also build something like this, then for that you have to stick to this video till the end. So to do this, I'm just going to open a new tab. I'm just going to simply look for the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow by simply typing pabbly.com/chatflow in my browser. Now it is opening the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, using which we're going to create this amazing AI assistant. All right. But before we move on further, I'll just show you something really helpful. This is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners, and marketers connect. The Pabbly community is a space where users share their ideas, solutions, and workflow tips. So if you're stuck at any step, the community is a great resource for guidance. And if you also want to join this amazing community which has experts in it, then for that you have to check out the description box below and you can join this amazing Pabbly community. Alright, I'm just going to open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, and over here we're just going to get two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can simply click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore the application. But over here I am an existing user, so I'm simply going to click on this sign in right over here. And once I'm just going to click on this sign in, it is opening all Pabbly apps, and over you're going to see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow because I want to automate marketing, sales, and customer support over WhatsApp. So I'm just going to simply click on this access now right over here to access my Pabbly Chatflow account. And once I'm just going to click on this access now, it's going to open the dashboard of my Pabbly Chatflow. And over here, to start by creating an AI assistant, which is a WhatsApp chatbot AI assistant, we first have to add a WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. So to add a WhatsApp number, you simply have to go towards this add WhatsApp number button. And over here, you're going to get two options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. So you can also add your WhatsApp number by selecting either one of this method. A video tutorial dedicated towards both of these methods have been attached in the description box below. You can check it out and add your WhatsApp number. I've already added my WhatsApp number as you can see. So I'm just going to move on further and create this amazing automation. For that, I'm just going to go towards the left end of the site. And over here in the left end of the site, you're going to see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly Chatflow, or you can see all the features offered by Pabbly Chatflow. Today, this video is only going to focus on how to create an AI assistant. So we are only going to go towards this AI assistant feature. But if you want to learn about any another feature in detail, a video tutorial dedicated towards each of this feature has been attached in the description box below. Make sure to check it out. Alright, I'm just going to go towards this AI assistant feature right over here, and then I'm just going to simply go towards this add AI assistant. Now it is asking me for the assistant name, so I'm just going to simply name my assistant as Support Mate. So this is the name of my company, so I'm just going to name my assistant same and click on this add AI assistant. And once I'm just going to click on this add AI assistant, it is saying adding, and as you can see that we have successfully opened the window, something like this. And now it is asking me to select the instructions, so I'm just going to simply select it as AI agent. And now once I'm just going to select the instructions, automatically going to see the prompt has been entered right over here. And as you can see that over here we have some fixed prompts. Over here you're going to see customer support agent, sales agent, language tutor, coding expert, life coach, and futuristic fashion advisor. So you can select any one from this. I'm just going to select this customer support agent. And if you want to give a custom prompt, you can go to this custom prompt and give your custom prompt. I'm just going to use this customer support agent and move on further. It is asking me for the temperature. So over here for the temperature, I'm just going to keep it close to 0. So what happens is that you have to set how creative the AI is going to answer. 0 means that the AI will answer more focused, and 1 means the AI will answer more creatively. So if you move it towards 0, the AI answers will be more focused, and if you move it towards 1, the AI will answer more creatively. I'm just going to keep it as 0.4 and move on further. It is asking me for the AI to use, so I'm simply going to select it as OpenAI. Now it is asking me to select the model, so I'm simply going to select it as GPT-4o Mini, and now it is asking me for the API key. So how are you going to get this API key? For that, you simply have to go towards this OpenAI API key page. The hyperlink is provided right over here. And after coming over here, you simply have to go towards this create new secret key, enter your key name and select the project and click on this create secret key button, and your API key will be created. I've already created my API key, so I'm simply going to paste that key right over here and click on this button which says connect. And once I'm just going to click on this connect, it is saying OpenAI key saved successfully. Alright, so now I'm just going to move on further. It is saying AI assistant settings. So over here we have multiple settings. If you want to add a header message, you can simply switch on this add a header message. Same goes for the footer message. The next is this stop keywords. So over here you can enter the keywords that user can try and stop the AI assistant. You can add multiple keywords. So what is going to happen is that when user is going to type that keyword, automatically the chart is going to be intervened and sent towards a human review. Alright, the AI assistant will not reply further. And the next which we have is this retry attempts. So what happens is that this is the number of attempts of the fallback retry if the AI assistant fails to respond. So you can simply give this retry attempts right over here. And now it is saying fallback message. So over here we have to enter the message when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly. So over here I'm just going to keep the message as I am here to assist you with the questions related to the company information or support. If you have any more questions, I'm just going to type this more about our services or need assistant with something specific, feel free to ask at, and now I'm just going to simply enter the support email address. So I'm just going to open the knowledge base, and as you can see that this is my support email address, so I'm just going to use the same. So I'm just going to simply copy this support email address right from here, and I'm just going to use this same email address. I'm just going to simply enter it right over here, and then I'm just going to move on further. With this, we have successfully set it up this AI instructions. Now I'm just going to go towards this knowledge source. So as I've already mentioned that I'm just going to upload a knowledge source right over here. So to do this, I'm just going to simply go towards this upload file. And you have to keep in mind that the only knowledge source you can upload is in .txt format. So what you have to do is you simply have to type your knowledge base on a Google Docs, go towards this file, downloads, and then over here you have to select this txt, which is plain text. So you have to download your knowledge base in txt format only and upload it in txt format only. I've already downloaded it, so I'm just going to simply upload it right over here. So as you can see that I've simply uploaded it, and over here you're going to see that the proof of the successful uploading. We're going to see the uploaded file, you can see the time and date, you can see the vector ID too. And with this, we have successfully uploaded our knowledge base, and now I'm just going to move on further towards this AI interface. Over here, I'm going to change this AI interface. For the heading name, I'm just going to enter the name of my company, which is Support Meet. So I'm just going to simply enter the heading name as my brand name, which is Support Meet. Now it is asking me for the display subheading, so you can enter it right over here. I'm just going to keep it as same. For the initial message also, you can simply type the initial message and press enter, and automatically this initial message will be added right over here. So you can simply change the settings right from here and make it look more attractive. I'm just going to keep it as same only and move on further towards this styling. Over here in the styling, you can simply select the mode, you can simply select the shape, the font, and the images. So if you wish, you can definitely change it, but this is not required. I'm just going to keep it as same only. And with this, we have successfully created a WhatsApp chatbot powered by an AI agent. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to simply switch on this button and click on this Save AI Assistant. And once I'm just going to click on this Save AI Assistant, with this, it is saying AI Assistant save successfully. So with this, we have successfully created this AI Assistant. And now I'm just going to test it once again. For that, I'm just going to open my WhatsApp, and I'm just going to clear the previous conversation and start fresh. Once again, I'm just going to send them a message, which is, hey, I need help. So I'm just going to simply type, hey, I need help right over here. And I'm just going to send them this message. And now it is saying, I'm here to help you. What do you need help with? Please share a bit more details so I can assist you better. And let's say I'm just going to ask this question, why choose Support Mate? So I'm just going to simply enter this question, and I'm just going to send them this, why choose Support Mate? And once I'm just going to send them this, automatically it is going to reply me with these details. All right, so as you can see that it has successfully replied me with these same details. So yes, now I'm just going to try something else. Let's say I'm just going to ask them for their Twitter. So I'm just going to simply ask them for their Twitter. So I'm just going to simply type Twitter ID question mark, and I'm just going to send them this. And once I'm just going to send them this, automatically it is sharing me the Twitter ID. And as you can see, it is directly same which we have entered right over here in the knowledge base. Let's say at last I'm just going to ask them about the integrations, which is the built-in integrations they offer. All right, so I'm just going to simply enter this question right over here, which is built-in integrations. I'm just going to simply send them this message, which is built-in integrations you offer. So I'm just going to send them this message, and automatically it is going to share me the integrations like Slack, Shopify, WooCommerce, Stripe, WhatsApp Business API, Google Sheets, and Zoom and Calendly. And as you can see, it has successfully shared me the same details. So yes, you can see that our AI agent is running perfectly fine in real time, and it is replying me using this knowledge base only. Let's say I'm just going to ask the last question about the free trial. All right, so I'm just going to simply type free trial, and I'm just going to send them this message. And as you can see in the help text, it has said 14 days of free trial, and as you can see, it is saying 14 days of free trial with no credit card required. So yes, you can see within seconds and in real time, my AI agent is solving all my user queries. And with this, we have successfully completed this AI assistant. And now in real time, automatically this customer support agent will run. We don't have to come back and again to WhatsApp and reply to each customer manually. All of this is going to happen in backend, and we can just sit back and relax. So yes, now go try this amazing AI assistant WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple chatbots which are tailored to your specific business needs. So now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.